Did you know that brands are ready to pay you a lot of money in US dollars for you to create very simple 1 minute videos for their businesses on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, even Twitch and the rest? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find these brands and how you can start making money with these brands. So the first thing to do is obviously to come to this website called impact.com. So Impact is a marketplace where you have big brands who have products for you to sell. So basically, you are technically becoming an influencer because these brands, they will pay you money to create promotional videos about their product. So this is similar to the Amazon influencer program, but this one is by impact.com. So first, you need to make an account on impact.com, and I already have videos that cover all of these. So once you've created an account, you want to come here where we have Discover. And ordinarily, if you wanted to be an affiliate, if you wanted to find brands, you can come to Find Brands here. Or if you wanted to affiliate physical product, you can come to Find Product. But this right here is what we want. We want to find campaigns, and campaigns on this website is like gigs or gigs that you have to do for brands, and these brands are going to pay you in US dollars. The good thing with this is that these campaigns are usually on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and all of that. So if you click on find these campaigns, you'll be able to see all the campaigns that are ready to pay you money in dollars for you to create all these simple videos that I'm going to talk about shortly. So this is the interface when you click on find campaigns, and you can see all the campaigns that you are eligible to join. You can see the ones that you've been invited to, you can see the ones that you've applied to, you can see the ones that you are currently negotiating with, because you have the option to actually name your price, and you can have a negotiation with these brands, and then you can decide to accept these prices or not. So here you find all the ones that you are currently participating in. If you click on more, you can see your favorite, you can see your completed, and then you can see the ones that you have been rejected into. So you can basically find these by the brand's name, but since we don't really know these brands, we can just come here. We have just 26 brands currently offering this, and this is like a very new feature on impact.com. So going forward, I'm sure a lot of brands are going to on board on this, but now we have just 26. And if you come to categories here, you can find different categories. We have alcohol, auto, beauty, entertainment, fashion, food, and a whole lot of things here. But some of these categories are currently empty. So here you can equally find them by brand. You can see the brands that are currently here. All right. So you can see more of them. You can see more of the brands. You can see them by the social platform. So let's say we wanted to do just Facebook. Let's say we want to create just post on Facebook. We can see all the brands that want you to create stuff for them on Facebook. Let's say we wanted just Pinterest. We can uncheck Facebook, and we can find all the brands that accept Pinterest. So let's say we want to do for YouTube. We can search for only brands that allow us to do for YouTube. So for instance, I make most of my contents on YouTube, so I'll be tilting towards YouTube, and I can see that all these brands here, they allow you to create videos for them on YouTube. So you can see Twitch, you can see WeChat, you can see Weibo, you can see Snapchat, you can even see Google and all of that. So again, if you come down, you see the compensation type. You can see some of them, they have flat fees, some of them your own flat fee at your own rate. Some of them offer you free product for you to just test out and do videos for them. And some of them offer based on performance. So some pay you based on the amount of sales that you get through the videos that you make. So these are just the way these things work. So now let's talk about how to apply to this product. So we have different products here. So as you can see, these guys, they pay $500. You can earn around $500 This one, you can provide your rates plus 10% of the sales that you generate. Here you can earn $300 plus free products, and here you earn just free products. Here you earn $10 plus free products. Here you provide your rates plus 5% per sale. Here you can earn up to $1,200. This one you can earn 10% per sale. This one you get free products. This one is $15, then 10%, then 10 to 50% share. So this one is 75. I don't know this currency, Singapore currency, plus the free product. This one you earn 100 USD per sale, and a whole lot of them. So let's say I wanted to join any of this program. I have to find the one that actually tallies with what I do. So I have to see if I can basically join anyone. So for me, I would look at this one, Ground Floor Finance. So you click on the particular one that you want to apply to, and then you see the content guidelines. So at the top, you will do 2 tasks. In this case, you do for Instagram and then TikTok right here. So this is the content they require. They want you to use your personal voice. They will give you some of the messaging. They will explain what ground floor is and explain the flyway, and you do that in the video. You show some screenshots. You can add dynamic content like captions. You can drive custom URL to download the app. So I'm sure you've seen this kind of things on TikTok where people say this AI is going to help you do this. Send me a DM to get the link. This is basically some of the things they do. So this is what you are required to do. You are required to, on TikTok, put a link in your bio. They will provide you your custom URL. The length can be anything depending on your agreements with them. So they will give you a draft that you have to submit and they have to approve before you go on with the gig. And this is not a recurring tax. It's just a one-off. So after this, your business with this company is basically done. So right here, you find everything about this company. Is a finance company. And then you can see what they want. They want somebody who has an influencer, a personal influencer, a personal finance influencer. So I'm not really a personal finance influencer, but if you're a finance influencer, this is for you. So they want people who are on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And this is the compensation that you can earn, $1,200 for making just 2 videos for this platform. So you come down here, you say this is what they're looking for. You must be a personal finance influencer where you routinely offer financial tips and advices. You should have 50K following on TikTok. However, if you do not have 50K following and you have good content, I'm sure this is not really going to matter to the brand. You can just go ahead and apply, and I'm sure they will give you the stuff. So this is the content guideline, and this is the draft. So the draft, they will give you a draft deadline in 10 days. You can post due. Your post deadline is 20 days after they give you the gig, and the metrics deadline is 30 days after you have delivered the gig. So you can find additional documents. You can see the image usage rights and all of them. So I personally cannot apply to this because I am not a personal finance coach, or do I have a personal finance channel. So I'm going to look for something else that is going to benefit me. So you can see some of these products, some of them are physical products, so you can just reach out to them and see what you get with them. So let's say I wanted to apply to let me just look at these gadgets here. So I can just click on this. As you can see, I'm eligible for this, and again they give you what they want from you. So the duration for this is 4 months. All right, so you want to read all these. The compensation for this is that you provide your fee, so you have to basically dialogue with this company. All right, so this is about health, so I'm not really in the health niche, but if I wanted to apply, I can come here, click on apply, and then I'm going to write them that I have a health blog, or I have a health following on TikTok, on YouTube, and then I can include my TikTok metrics and all of that, and I'm going to hit apply. So the moment they agree, you will be able to get this gig and create this video and submit to them, and then you can earn money making very simple short videos on YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platform. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If yes, please like the video. If no, you can tell me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.